Namaskar everyone, welcome to another video that I'm creating specially for you. Today I am on top of Nilasol Pahar. This is the conglomeration of all the temples that we call the Kamakhya temple, and I'm here. I've been feeling very good. Tyrus is on the opposite side. He's doing my camera, and I've had a really great time. This is such a beautiful place. All of you can come here for your walks. You can come here and do your meditation. You can do so much out here. This is a beautiful, beautiful place right in the heart of the Guwahati city, and this is a place that I love to come to. The whole ride up the hill is especially so beautiful. But today I'm here for a special reason. We all know the coronavirus is upon us, and I made a previous video where I had told you that I'm going to show you a lot of breathing exercises, and these breathing exercises are very good for your lungs. It is very good for your lungs. I have learnt it through the art of living, and these are some of the exercises that you need to do all the time. These are the deep breathing exercises that you need to do to strengthen your lungs. Okay, we will start with the first. The number one thing that you can do, just find yourself a comfortable place. You can sit down either in Vajrasana, or you might sit on a chair if you're not comfortable by sitting in Vajrasana. So, but here what you can do is, after that, take out your palms, and then from your navel here, put your hands, put your fingers, your four fingers here on the navel, and then your thumb here, and then slowly take a measurement, go back and hold your hips like this, and then as you close your eyes, I'm opening my eyes so that I can show you. You can close your eyes, and with a deep breath, let out. Again, breathe in deeply and let out. Now breathe in until the count of 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Till all the air inside your lungs has gone out. So again, take in a deep breath while you keep your eyes closed. Take in a deep breath. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold. 2, 3, 4 and release. 6, 7, 8. Till all the air inside your lungs is out. Okay, this is the first exercise. The next thing that you can do after you are done with this, you can go up to a count of 20. Do this for 20 rounds, 20 repetitions, and then again open your palms, put it here, put your hands here, so that your middle finger and both your middle fingers touch each other, and you have your thumb in this portion, in this way, and then you hold your chest like this, and again in the similar manner we will again breathe in and release. Breathe in and release. Now again, deep breathing for a count of 6, then hold for 4 and release at 8. Deep breathe in. Again, take in a deep breath. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Release. And in this manner, you can continue up to 20 repetitions. This is very good again for your lungs, because the first exercise that I showed you out here, then this exercise, and now open your palms again and put it behind like this, in this manner. Hold your back in this manner, and again do the same thing. Close your eyes. Now with a count of 6, breathe in. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Release. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then continue to do this exercise for a repetition of 20. So all these 3 exercises starting from here, here and here, you must do it for a round of 20. This is like 20 repetitions you need to do so that you can increase the power of your lungs. Then after this, after you are done with this, while you are sitting, open your palms, put the forefinger and your thumb together, put it together and chant Om 3 times. Breathe in. Once again. Once again. So if you continue to chant this Om and if you can hold on to your Om for a long time, it shows the strength of your lungs. And this you need to do constantly. If you can keep doing this between your yoga and when you're doing your deep breathing exercise, it will just show how strong your lungs is. Because you know, when you do Om, this is a universal language. Om is a universal language. It doesn't belong to any religion, but Om is the language of the universe. And if when you say Om, it gives you a lot of power. It gives you a lot of energy. It gives you a lot of fulfillment and passion and a lot of happiness. So please understand that Om does not belong to anyone. It belongs to everyone, and people from all religious backgrounds can do their Om. Now the other thing which is part of Hastika Pranayam, which you can do and which is part of this entire process of breathing, is this. Put your hands together like this, and while you're seated in your Vajrasana or on the chair, you just do a very forceful breathe in and breathe out. When you put your hands up, you will breathe in, and when you bring it down, you're going to breathe out. Okay? So it's like this. And then your entire portion must come and hit this part of your body, so that you know when you're hitting this like this, this is with great force you're going to hit. This is going to activate your entire body system. So you must understand that this is part of your entire breathing exercise. This again you must do for a count of 20, 20, 20, 3 rounds. 3 rounds of 20, 20 each. And after that, after you've completed, you can do another breathing exercise which is like this. Again, close your eyes, and as you as you are very calm and cool, you just do this. You breathe in and breathe out. Slow. So hum. So hum is the way you will do it. So hum, so hum, so hum. Very slow first, then so hum, so hum, so hum. Then very fast. So hum, so hum, so hum, so hum. So that is the way you will keep the rhythm of your breath. So this is so hum. So hum. This is the first rhythm. The second rhythm is so hum, so hum, so hum. And the last one is, which is so hum, so hum, so hum, so hum. That is the rhythm you will go. So these are the breathing exercises that you need to do to increase the power of your lungs. I'm doing this in this beautiful environment of Neelasol Pahar. I'm doing it here on top of my favorite place. I love to visit the Kamakhya temple. Goddess Kamakhya has always been very benevolent with us, and today I'm going to pray to her that she takes away this coronavirus from the entire earth, from our city, from the country, and all of us will be strong, will be powerful, will be passionate, will be happy once again, and we'll have a great life. So I will wish all of you all the best. Stay safe, wear your mask, don't forget to keep washing your hands and maintain social distancing, and don't forget to do your steaming. And of course, all these exercises that I have shown you, the breathing exercises are very important for your lungs, because there's a lot of lungs infection which is happening. So to avert that and to kind of help yourself to become stronger in your lungs, please keep doing your breathing exercises, a lot of it, and do a lot of these breathing exercises here in the open where there's a lot of oxygen, lot of fresh air. Come here and do your exercises. Okay, so I'm going to see you. I love all of you so much. Till the next time, take care and see you. Bye.